Welcome back. Today's video is extremely crucial for everyone who is struggling with indexing issues, or feeling frustrated because Google is not indexing their content. If your pages are stuck, your traffic is dead, or you're losing hope, don't worry. You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what's going wrong and how you can fix it step by step. Stay tuned, because what I'm about to show you can completely change the way Google sees your website. I recently faced an indexing issue on 3 of my blogs. After testing, I found that just 2 fixes can get your pages indexed again. Let's get started. First, open Chrome and go to Google Search Console, then select your website. Now after selecting Property, go to Pages. Here you can see 16 pages are not indexed, means no page is yet indexed. This is my new blog that I have started 2 weeks before. Now I will show you how I get it fixed. These are the reasons why my pages are not indexed. We will solve all these. Now you have to do a small task to get it done. Step number 1. Go to Chrome and open your blog in the Blogger. This interface will appear. After selecting the blog, go to the theme option in the bottom left corner of Blogger. Now click on arrow on Customize. And from here you will go to Edit HTML. Here you will see all the code stuff of the theme of your blog. Now you can see head tags. Go here and press enter to go to next line. Now I will open the notepad where I have designed the code for indexing pages. So here it is. So get started with first one. I have added both these codes in the description of this video. You need just to copy these codes and paste as I say. So copy first code and paste it just after the opening head tags. Here it is. Now after moving just a step below, you can see this line data equals blog and name equals all head content. Hit enter. Go and copy second code, which is also in description, and paste it here. Now you are done with it and save this file in the top right corner. Now go back to Google Search Console engine and open your blog property. Here are the pages why are not indexed. Now go to URL inspection and you can see the details of URLs I have added. Let's select any one of them. Here you can see that URL is not on Google. Means the page is not indexed. We will request indexing, but here you see the ending of URL is m=1 and it is not a good sign for our URL. We have to get rid of this type of URL. And we have already done it. The URL ending white m=1 is a mobile version URL, but we need PC version and a clear URL. If we request indexing by using m=1 type URL, it will index your pages for a day or 2, but after that it will unindex your pages. And we have solved this problem by pasting code in Edit HTML directory of our blog. So now we will open our blog in the Chrome. My blog is monetized, so it is showing ads. Now let us pick this post from here and we will copy the URL of this page from the Serac bar. Now copy it and paste the clear URL in the URL inspection in Google Search Console. Make sure you will not use any m=1 format. After retrieving data from the Google, we will get this. Now we will have to test live URL. So click on this and wait for a while. Now it says URL is available to Google. And in the below we can see the text that our page can be indexed. So click on Request Indexing Page. After a while our page will be requested for indexing. Now only work you need to do is to request indexing of the clear URLs of all the posts and submit your sitemap regularly. And you yourself will see that all the pages will start indexing. Now I will show you my blog on which I applied this technique and my pages started indexing. Here it is, 30 pages are indexed within 2 weeks. Before this technique all the 53 pages were unindexed, and after a week these pages will also be indexed. You can see from day to day my pages are being indexed on the Google. So that was a quick fix for your indexing issue. If you follow these steps properly, your pages should start getting indexed again. Make sure to apply it consistently. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful content. See you in the next one.